when you put in like a little post VFX like, ah. Hi Vogue, this is Dove Cameron, and today I'm going to take you through my version of fresh dewy skin with an experimental eye. So I almost always start my morning with these little under eye patches. They're so great if you keep them in the fridge because they help you depuff. I keep these on for about 20 minutes in the morning. So I have been obsessed with this moisturizer. Look how, it's like rubber almost, which is not something I would normally want to put on my skin, but oh my God, that was so nice. I am a skincare lover. Truly, a good makeup look starts with good skincare. Don't skip your neck. Next, I'm gonna put on my favorite little oil. Look at that, literally looks like honey, ooh. I got this stuff when I was shooting a movie in New Mexico, and it was so dry. People who live in New Mexico, is your skin okay? Does it get used to it? Because my skin didn't. It was truly like my skin was trying to like completely shed itself to have a new skin underneath. It was so dry. You're welcome for that visual, by the way. This stuff helped though, is the moral of the story. I always like to take it down to my collarbones. I know you know that. I know we're best friends. Okay, last in skincare today, this eye cream. Now, this stuff is amazing. Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, the holy grail for all dewy looks and a wet beauty blender. This is like the combo. If you can still see your skin, you're winning. Even with a dewy look, I still want a little extra coverage in certain places. This is a scar from my dog when I was 5. Adds character. Okay, that is our first little base of concealer. We're dewy, we're loving it. Might even get a little crazy just coming here for no good reason. Let's do some powder next. Throughout the day, my skin is gonna continue to get oily in places I don't want it to, so I'm gonna go in with this pressed powder. We wanna keep her dewy, and so we don't want a big fat brush just yet. We just wanna go in with this little guy. We are gonna go to our lashes now. Today we're gonna do something crazy. We are going to do mascara last to give it like a really chunky look. While we are waiting for our lashes to set, I am gonna go get on my brows and I'm gonna use gray. Like this is gray. My face really can't take a warm tone. I have it in my mind that dewy skin and a thick, juicy brow are linked. And tonight they are. We're just filling in some of the gaps and then defining the edge. But I also like a very defined arch. This is when it gets scary, because this look, there's a couple different elements that don't play well together, so I have to calculate which one should go first. Okay, we are gonna go in with the star of our look, which is this white liquid liner. I'm gonna do this purposefully before the mascara in case I get it just all over my lashes. Oh, she's so cute already. I'm gonna pray that the other eye goes so smoothly. This eye is always so much harder. I have to go about it an entirely different way. Great, we're gonna leave that for a minute. We're gonna go in with our mascara. Okay, so now the fact that we put these lashes on with our lashes means that I'm gonna get a little bit more of a chunky lash out of this. Now, luminescent eye gel, just right here, and kind of anywhere that is like not directly touching that white. Because I don't want to use a shadow. I really want the white liner to be the moment. So now, I'm gonna go in with a very small brush with one of my favorite highlighter palettes. And I'm just gonna get all 4 of the colors. Because I don't want to do a blush with this look. I want to keep it pretty skin focused. I'm just gonna go in on sort of the temples, apples, and a little bit to the nose, and a little bit bridge of the nose. Okay, now I'm gonna go back one last time over that white liner to really make it pop. Last but not least, start with a little lip liner. Just a little definition, really light. We're gonna stay in this kind of blue tone family. We're gonna use my favorite thing in the world, which is blue lip gloss. Now this looks so crazy, but I'm telling you, it goes on pinky purple but it gives you the cool tone gloss. Come on, that's crazy. All right, that's our look. Hi Vogue, I'm Dove Cameron, and to watch more videos, you can subscribe here.